Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get better hair. We'll dive into understanding your specific hair type, which is the first crucial step towards healthier locks. Then, we'll explore how to build an effective washing and conditioning routine that truly works for you. Finally, I'll share insights on selecting the right products and ingredients to nourish your scalp and strands, ensuring your hair looks and feels its absolute best. A consistent routine is key for amazing hair. Aim to wash your hair about 2 or 3 times a week using a gentle shampoo that suits your scalp. Always follow up with a good conditioner, concentrating it on the ends to prevent dryness. For an extra boost, apply a leave-in treatment or serum to keep your hair hydrated and protected throughout the day. Remember to limit heat styling and always use a heat protectant. Your diet and lifestyle significantly impact hair health. Eating a balanced diet packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals, like iron and zinc, is vital. Don't forget to drink plenty of water, aiming for at least 8 glasses daily, to keep your body and hair hydrated. Managing stress through activities like meditation and getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night also plays a huge role in promoting healthy hair growth. Let's talk about common mistakes to avoid for better hair. Overwashing can strip your hair of its natural protective oils, so stick to 2 or 3 times a week. Never brush wet hair harshly. Instead, use a wide-tooth comb to gently detangle. Tight hairstyles can cause breakage, so opt for looser styles. Finally, remember to get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to keep those split ends at bay and maintain healthy growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.